Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best craft dyes is probably one of the most versatile and exciting mediums for any creative endeavor, allowing you to transform ordinary materials into vibrant works of art with just a splash of color. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just beginning your artistic journey, the right dyes can unlock a world of possibilities, from tie-dyeing t-shirts and customizing home decor to adding unique touches to paper crafts and fabric projects, making every creation a personal masterpiece. Number 5. YRYM HT24 Colors Epoxy Resin Pigment. Discover a stunning palette of 24 vibrant colors for your resin projects. These highly concentrated pigments offer a rich, transparent effect, allowing you to easily blend and create your desired shades. Whether you're using epoxy or UV resin, these pigments deliver exceptional color payoff. They are perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters looking to add a creative touch to their work. Experience the power of high concentration. Just a few drops of this pigment will yield a surprising color effect, ensuring your creations are vibrant and long-lasting without fading. Our pigments feature a leak-proof nozzle for precise control, allowing you to add color drop by drop. Plus, free disposable gloves are included to keep your hands clean during crafting. Enjoy a safe crafting experience with our odorless and non-toxic resin dyes. Each bottle contains 0.35 ounces of pigment, perfect for jewelry making, art, paint, and countless other craft projects. Join the YRYM HT community and share your unique resin creations. These pigments are the ideal choice for anyone passionate about handmade crafts. What we like. This set offers a vast spectrum of 24 colors, perfect for achieving any shade imaginable. Its high concentration means a little goes a long way, providing excellent value. If you're looking for a versatile and potent dye for both epoxy and UV resin projects, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the bottle. Easy to use and mix for custom shades. Great for fabric painting and dyeing projects. Number 4. SEISSO Glow in the Dark Powder. Discover the magic of our glow in the dark powder. Perfect for adding a luminous touch to your art and crafts. Simply expose it to UV light, blacklight, or sunlight. This powder stores the light energy and releases it as a beautiful fluorescence in the dark. Our pigment powder is safe and non-toxic, making it ideal for body art, makeup, and as an additive for epoxy resin, paints, nail polish, and more. For the best results, use a thicker layer and ensure ample light absorption. The more light it absorbs, the longer and brighter it will glow. Transform your projects into glowing masterpieces. It's perfect for parties, DIY crafts, and creating unique, eye-catching designs. This set includes 12 vibrant colors, a product manual, and a UV flashlight to get you started on your glowing adventures. What we like. Experience the magic of these powders that glow brilliantly after absorbing light. They are safe for all uses and provide a long-lasting luminous effect. If you want to add a unique, enchanting glow to your crafts for parties or nighttime displays, these are the perfect pigments. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the bottle. These dyes are highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. They work beautifully on various fabrics like cotton, silk, and linen. Number 3. Craft Resin 30 Color Mica Powder. Discover a stunning palette of 30 colors, including 26 natural brights and 4 glow-in-the-dark options. These powders are perfect for all your resin crafting needs. Designed with safety in mind, our non-toxic pigment powders are ideal for beginners, families, and children. Enjoy worry-free crafting with peace of mind. Achieve mesmerizing pearlescent and shimmer effects in your creations. Explore techniques like waves, marble, ombre, and galaxy for truly unique art. A little goes a long way with our highly concentrated and long-lasting powders. They mix easily and provide even color distribution for beautiful results. From intricate jewelry to vibrant acrylic pours, these colorants are perfect for everyone. Unleash your creativity on projects like decor, magnets, and coasters. These versatile powders are ideal for both epoxy resin and UV resin crafting. Achieve professional-looking results in jewelry, casting, and decorative items. What we like. This collection boasts 30 stunning colors, including pearlescent and glow-in-the-dark options, for a beautiful shimmer. They are safe and easy to use, making them ideal for beginners and kids. If you desire a sophisticated, shimmering finish for jewelry, coasters, or art pours, this mica powder set is your go-to. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the bottle. These dyes are highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. They work beautifully on various fabrics like cotton and linen. Number 2. CopesFuda Eco Printing and Flower Pounding Kit. Discover the art of natural dyeing and fabric printing with this all-in-one kit. It provides everything you need to create unique, eco-friendly artworks from nature's palette. Follow simple instructions to explore techniques like shibori dyeing and plant rubbing. It's a perfect hands-on craft for adults and teens who love DIY projects. This comprehensive set includes fabric, a hammer, silicone pad, color fixative, embroidery hoop, and a tote bag. You'll have all the tools for your creative journey. Use plants from your surroundings to create vibrant prints. The included color fixative ensures your beautiful creations are durable and washable. Frame your finished fabric art, use it for home decor, or gift these unique handmade pieces. It's an ideal creative kit for adults and a thoughtful nature gift. This kit is perfect for those who love nature and creativity. You'll learn about natural dyes, plant properties, and the benefits of sustainable crafting. What we like. This kit provides a natural and creative way to dye fabrics using plants from your surroundings. It includes all necessary tools and materials for techniques like eco-printing and flower pounding. If you're interested in sustainable crafting and enjoy working with natural elements to create unique textile art, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the bottle. Easy to use and the results are professional looking. A little goes a long way, so the bottles last for many projects. Number 1. Limino 12 Color Bath Bomb Soap Dye. Discover a spectrum of 12 bright colors that are easy to disperse and blend. You can create a variety of shades to match your imagination. Simply mix them to achieve your own custom colors and let your creativity flow. Our dyes are made with food-grade ingredients, making them non-toxic, irritation-free, and stain-free. They are also vegan, cruelty-free, and baby-friendly. The improved formula ensures your creations stay clear and vibrant for longer. Unlike other colorants, ours require no preparation and a lower usage rate. We also provide a helpful e-guide with recipes and steps to get you started. Enjoy using these water-soluble colorants with ease. These vivid colorants are perfect for a wide range of projects including CP soaps, bath bombs, bath salts, slime, Play-Doh, and lotions. While they are water-soluble, a little mica can help with MP soap. 12 bottles of colorants, totaling 2.52 ounces, with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Just a few drops can transform your projects from ordinary to beautiful. Add to cart now and experience the surprise in every drop. What we like. These liquid dyes are formulated with skin-safe, food-grade ingredients, ensuring they are non-toxic and gentle. They disperse easily and can be blended to create custom shades for various projects. If you need vibrant, reliable, and safe colorants for bath bombs, soaps, or slime, these liquid dyes are an excellent and economical option. What people say. The colors are vibrant and true to the bottle. Easy to use and the results are professional looking. A little goes a long way, so the bottles last. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.